you guys, check this out. This is Leatt's brand new all-in-one DBX XL 2.0 bicycle hydration pack. Let's see what we can pack into this thing. So it looks like this bag is going to give you tons of cargo capacity. First things first, Leatt gives you 2 liters of water to throw inside. Next thing I'm stacking in here is some camera gear, okay? So this is already an overkill, but I'm bringing it anyway. It's a compactable shovel. It's also a pick, it's also a saw. Any modifications I need to make to the trail, I'm ready. Another good thing to bring is a bandage. Let's bring this. Beef jerky, yep. Granola bar, check. Whether you ride with goggles or glasses, I'm taking them both. I'm gonna pack them into themselves. And we've got ample room right here in the goggles glasses compartment for storage. It's padded, so it's all scratch free. Moving on to the outer compartment. This is where you can really jam all the small stuff in here. GoPros. I always have a bunch of them with me. This bag gives you tons of little spaces for the batteries, for the mounts. Good place for the tube. I've got CO2s and tire levers here. Zip that up. I've got a cool little compartment for zip ties. I also want to put the tape in there too. This is like my fix-it-all compartment. Just in case. You know what I'm talking about. We've got a fully waterproof compartment here, and it's just made for your phone, which is perfect. Okay, let's get a banana in here and close off the last bit of this compartment. Now that we're getting closer to being ready to roll, I want to pack my jacket up here. It goes right on top. Killer little cargo nets. So when you're running the Enduro helmet with that full face attachment, you can bring your brace with you also. Moving on to the front now. This is just where I normally put my tools. Clips on, really nice and comfy. Very adjustable and really provide the perfect fit. Drop my knife in this side. Another camera, but they give you the compartment right here. This clip, I can clip off of my helmet, fold it down, and you've got a good little chesty strap right there. Here's my gloves, there's my bike, here's all my gear. See you out on the trails.
Hi, I'm Lena with Osprey Packs, and I'm here to talk about the Raptor Raven series. This pack is the most stable and best fitting bike pack out there. It comes fully loaded and is designed for a serious rider. The men's Raptor and women's Raven both come in 2 volumes, 14 and 10 liters. Here's what makes these packs fit so great. Osprey's Airscape suspension allows dynamic body movement. A newly designed bike-specific wing-shaped contouring harness for maximum stability, a back panel with extra deep ridged foam for ventilation, an adjustable sternum strap for a magnetic bite valve attachment, and a stabilizing air mesh wrap hip belt with dual zippered pockets for on-trail access to small items. Now let's get into the features that sets this bag apart. An included Osprey LT 2.5 liter reservoir, an internal hydration sleeve with direct zip access and hose path for easy loading, a scratch-free heat-embossed zippered slash pocket for sunglasses and electronics, a lid-lock bike helmet attachment, a stretch mesh front pocket for quickly stashing extra gear, a blinker light attachment and reflective patch for safety, bike tool organization in main compartment, and everybody's favorite, the removable tool roll for keeping your tools handy. The slightly bigger Raptor and Raven 14 liter also has side compression straps that function as a full face helmet attachment and a front panel zippered stash pocket. So if you're looking for top-notch quality, not just in your bike, but all aspects of your kit, this is the pack for you.
Hey everybody, Gabe Schroeder, Mountain Marketing Manager here with your Dakine Product Breakdown. Today we're going to discuss the Hotlap series of hip packs. Having the tools and necessities you need to enjoy a day on the trail is crucial. Don't let a flat tire, a mechanical, or a lack of food and water ruin your ride. You can bring all of the essentials with you in a Dakine Hotlaps pack. With 4 different sized hip packs, the Hotlap series allows you to bring the necessities needed for short to medium sized rides without carrying a bulky backpack. For shuttle and bike park laps, or when all you have time for is a hot lap, the Hotlap Stealth is our smallest, most low-profile hip pack. Featuring a deployable side water bottle pocket, the Stealth is also designed to carry a tube, tool, CO2, as well as your phone and snacks. The Stealth can be worn underneath the jersey for a streamlined look. Now here we have the Hotlaps 1 liter. This is a new addition to the lineup for 2021 and provides a bit more room for tools and snacks, while also featuring a deployable side water bottle and external attachment straps for a jacket or pads. Offering twice as much storage as the 1 liter, the Hotlaps 2 liter is updated with a second deployable water bottle holder, a padded fleece-lined zippered phone pocket, and external straps for attaching whatever else is unable to fit. For bigger rides that require a bit more supplies, check out the new Hotlaps 5 liter. An updated 2 liter 3D lumbar reservoir sits low on your back for comfort and stability, while the padded hip belt phone pocket keeps your valuable possession handy and protected. Improved internal organization pockets keep tools and snacks secure, while the breathable airflow back panel provides comfort on the most grueling climbs. If you need just a bit more storage with any of the Hotlaps packs, check out the Hotlaps Gripper. This handy little bag is the perfect on-bike storage solution. Fit a spare tube, CO2, and tire levers in the gripper and attach to your bike frame or seat to free up space for more snacks or layers in your Hotlaps pack. For more information on the Hotlap series, visit your local bike shop, or you can check us out online at dakine.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trail.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation.
Hi, I'm Kelly with Hydro Flask, and I'm here to talk about our new 14-liter downshift hydration pack. This insulated hydration pack features our cold flow system that keeps water chilled for over 4 hours. This is the only pack on the market to offer the benefits of a lumbar-oriented reservoir and a cold water experience. Here's what makes our cold flow system so great. The included 1.5 liter HydroPack ISO-bound insulated reservoir and neoprene sleeve with reflective lining work together to maintain cold water temperature for hours. And the articulated back panel allows airflow to avoid body heat transfer. With the design of the downshift pack, we have literally shifted the weight down by positioning the lumbar-shaped reservoir lower in the pack. Riders benefit from a lower center of gravity, increased stability, and improved access to all of their gear. Additional features of this pack include easy access storage compartments to keep your tools, snacks, or a layer at the ready, lightweight materials that are puncture, tear, and abrasion resistant, padded back panel, and shoulder straps for a comfortable fit, a HydroPack blaster bite valve with easy on-off switch, a soft sunglass and cell phone pocket, webbed loops for attaching helmet, gloves, or other gear, a bike light attachment, adjustable shoulder, chest, and hip straps. As you can see, our downshift insulated hydration pack has just the right features to keep you refreshed, comfortable, and organized on any trail.